Hey guys, Midwest Fishing Bros. We're going to do another video today. We're not going to do a challenge video, we're just going to fish for fun. It rained earlier today, so that could change up our the way the fish are biting.
It's supposed to rain a couple hours.
Yeah,
so
it's supposed to rain around 7.
it's
about
very bucky.
around 2 o'clock right now. So we'll see if we can get some fish for you, so stay tuned. First fish of the day for Dillon. What'd you get it on?
It's a California lub, but this will bait. It's a deep bomb using a EcoPro testing with a 3/8 bullet weight in the pick stopper by 6 ends and a BM or troll car flipping hook, and that's my first fish of the day.
All right, we'll go ahead and let her go. Dillon has one on.
It's a little one.
What'd you catch it on?
On the watermelon candy from Gary Yamamoto. It's got belly on it. It's a little skinny, but we gotta let it go.
Okay guys, we're heading in. We've only been out here for about an hour and a half, and it looks like it's about to storm. So Dillon caught 2 fish and I got skunked for the day, but I'm sure I would have caught something. So this is what the sky looks like. So it doesn't look very good. I know it's going to be a short video, but that's okay. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. I hope it.
30% chance.
There's a 30% chance of rain tomorrow, so we'll see if we have a video up tomorrow. So just stay tuned for our next video. All right, we just got the boat loaded up. We got frickin' poured on. Super dark out. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pouring down rain here in Iowa.